Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got an old Sony PlayStation Portable. This particular one was given to me by a friend, and as you can see, the condition isn't for sure the best. As far as I know, beside the broken display, it was missing the battery and it has some other issues on the motherboard that may not worth the repair. However, I'm sure that I can give a second life to this iconic console, but with a slightly different result, and may cause a little surprise to some of you. So, as always, have a seat, relax, enjoy me in this project. Stick around. As we always do, first let's fully disassemble the console and start from there. With all the parts disassembled, let's give them a quick clean. And this may sound strange, but we will discard some of the little pieces to this project. With the clean done, it's time to start the background of this project. In this case, the background of our wall frame. Yes, you hear it right. We're gonna transform this old broken PSP into a wall frame display. So let's continue. The background is done. Let's make the first try and see how it looks. And as you may notice, it needs a little corrections, but overall it is mostly perfect. After the little corrections, I print the final version, and it's now time to glue it to the wood background of our wall frame. And after the final checks, it's time to start to glue all the parts in its final place. But first we need to glue some of the loose pieces on the front panel, in this case the buttons and the LCD. After that, we can finally glue all the pieces in the frame. The final piece is the rear case, and we are done. Enjoy! I know, for some people, this is a nonsense project. but I think it looks really cool and it's for sure a different kind of preservation for these little iconic devices that deserve all the credits for all the hours of fun they provide along the years. And the final step, of course, is hang it on the wall, sit down and enjoy it. As always, if you like this video and you want to see more, please consider subscribe, leave a like, comment and also share this video. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.